So let's continue. For number 3, we have Boolean literals in Java. The Boolean literals have only two values, true and false, so they contain only Boolean values. So these are used for assigning flag variables or when there is need for checking any condition. So the Boolean literal can take any value other than true or false. So we have to use the Boolean data type. Look at the example here. So we having the Boolean B1 is equal to true and Boolean B2 is equal to false. They are all valid. But in example number 3, we have Boolean B3 is equal to 5. So this is invalid Boolean value because we have a number, assigned number for the B3. That is not acceptable. Okay. So for this example, we have the uh, program here for having the boolean. It is already done in an if conditional statement. Okay, actually. Okay, so when you do this program, the output will have the result is true and the number is even. So for number 4, we have Java character literals. So the character literal represent a single character that is enclosed in a single quote, as in Z. So the rule for writing a character literal is that it must contain a single character enclosed within a single quote. So we must use the character data type or the char data type to represent a character literal like this one. Char ch is equal to a. So the letter A there is been enclosed with a single quotation because we just only one string. Okay, take note, Java allow us to have certain non-graphic characters as character literals. So non-graphic characters are the characters that we can directly from the keyboard, like the backslash, the tabs. So these non-graphic characters can be represented as escape sequence, and we have here. So we have a lot of sequence, escape sequence rather, no? So we have slash A, slash B, slash F, slash N, slash r slash t until we go for the last which is slash 0 which is null. We already familiar with the slash n. This is a new line. We already used that in our program. So on the right side we have some valid character literals. So we have the c or the char c is equal to a, that is enclosed in a single quotation and semicolon. Then the char c enclosed with a single quotation then percent. Then we have the char c equals to slash t, char c equals to double slash, and then char c is equal to 4, and char c is equal to s, or even it is in uppercase. These are all valid character literals. So in this example, as you see, the char character, the character is our variable, a variable name, okay, and the data type is char, which is character. So is equal to single quotation D. Then we have the char Unicode character, which is slash U0064 that is been enclosed in a single quotation. Okay. Then if you call to print on the screen, we have the character literal value which is positive. We use the positive sign there to call the variable which is character. Then in the second line of system.outprint is we call the Unicode character, which is our variable. And the system.outprint is a symbol. Okay, so slash is a symbol that is a backslash. Okay, probably. So next number 5 we have Java string literals. This is represent multiple characters. A zero or a sequence of 0 or more characters written in a double quotes. So it is known as a string. So each character in this string literal can also represent an escape sequence. All string literals belong to the class tree. So let's try some example here. So the string S is equal to ABC. So we use a double quotation there. And look at this, the example of string S is equal to Rita slash S. Okay, then the book. Okay, that is one word, but even we use the slash S there just for the single quotation. Okay, to separate that. That is escape sequence that we already used. So the string S is equals to slash AB, and you have the double slash there and slash A. is escape sequence 2. Okay, so as in valid string literals, we have the string S hello world. So you did not put any single or double quotation there. Okay, so you cannot do that because you already end the hello word as a value of your string S. Then another thing with this, okay, so the string S is equal tech with van, no? So that is a semicolon. This is a single quote not allowed. Okay, so that is not allowing when we have a lot of string. So next one, this is just for example for string literals. We can try this in our program or Eclipse. Okay, so let's run. I have already this one. Okay, I'll just paste that a while ago. Okay, once we run this, okay, so you see the character literal value is D and the value Unicode character is D. Then quotation is a symbol. Okay, then the last one. Okay, okay. Then for the last one we have the six null literals, no, number six null literals. So finally, the null literals are the values that represent the null values. So the null literals have only single value, which is null. So it shows the null reference. A null literal is not or is of the null type. So that's all for our lesson for the literals for in Java. So thank you for listening.